Hi there, welcome to another video of Just Being Earners. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how does CapitaLand Mall Trust REIT make money. This video will be interesting to you if you want to find out more about REIT and its business model. And if you have not heard of them before, then this video will give you better insights into how they make money. Before I start, hope you can give a like for this video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's start with the video. CapitaLand Mall Trust is the first REIT to be listed on the main board of the Singapore Stock Exchange in 2002. The company makes money by renting out spaces in the shopping mall and collecting rents from the tenant. The more spaces they have, the more rents they can collect to make money. They have 15 shopping malls located all over Singapore, and it's a 50-50 split in terms of the location, where 50% are in suburban areas and 50% are in downtown core. Occupancy rate of the portfolio as of 31st December 2019 is 99.3%, which is considered quite impressive for a shopping mall REIT. The weighted average lease expiry is 2.1 years, which is the average tenancy period for retail spaces. And the total assets of the company is at $11.7 billion, which is a huge amount. Moving on to the property portfolio, the shopping malls owned by CapitaLand Mall Trust are located almost equally between suburban areas and downtown core as mentioned earlier. From this map, we can see where are the shopping malls located. I would dare say with 99% confidence that if you are living in Singapore, you will have stepped into one of their shopping malls before. In the west, they have Lot 1, Westgate, JCube, and IMM. In the center, there's Junction 8, which is where I live nearby. In the east, there is Bedok Mall and Tampines Mall. And in the downtown core, you have Plaza Sing, Bugis Plus, a few others, and their newly renovated mall, Funan. And over here, you can see how the properties look like based on the pictures. And over here, we have the tenant mix profile for CapitaLand Mall Trust. As you can see, the composition of their tenants are mostly from the F&B, beauty and health, and fashion. This trade mix is quite common for other shopping malls as well. As Singaporeans love eating outside and eating good food, shopping malls help to satisfy these needs by providing a wide variety of restaurants, cafes, and eateries for Singaporeans to choose from. If you want to find out more about the tenant mix for each individual malls, I have placed the link in the description below. To grow the business, CapitaLand Mall Trust is always looking to bring in the most popular shops or restaurants as seen in this slide. They recently got 5 guys to set up shop at Plaza Sing, getting the ever-popular Don Don Donki into JCube, and having Gucci to set up store at Raffles City, Singapore. Besides the tenants, CapitaLand Mall Trust also makes the retail experience more exciting to attract crowds by organizing events such as the New Year Countdown, launching Line Friends World Tour, and having pop-up dessert museum. For CapitaLand Mall Trust to grow their revenue and earnings, there are 2 ways for them to look at, which are the organic and inorganic ways. For organic growth, what they can do is to conduct Asset Enhancement Initiative, or AEI for short. These are ways that could be such as making the interior of the shopping mall feel more refreshing or brighter, can also be upgrading of amenities, enhancing the facade, adding play and rest areas and creating better shopping circulation. Another way that they can also look at is to increase the rental rates, which in the tenancy agreement that in the contract that's being signed, if the tenancy is being renewed, there will be step-up rent with higher rental rates for existing tenants. And for new tenants coming in, the rental rates could be higher than the previous tenants. They could also look into maximizing the use of common areas such as bridge space and converting mechanical and electrical areas into leasable areas. They could also increase their income besides from the rental. There's also the non-rental part such as car parks, atrium space, advertisement panel space, casual leasing, and vending machines. For inorganic growth, it is mainly via property acquisition from the sponsors, such that with more properties, the earnings will go up. Another way they can look at is to carry out greenfield development, but this is rarely done due to the cost and time taken.
Thank you for watching the video. Hope you learned something new today. Do give a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, do check out the links in the description for our blog. I'll be creating videos about personal finance, lifestyle, company reviews, investment, and side hustles. You can also let me know what you want to watch, and who knows, I may do a video about it. Have a great day ahead and bye bye.